So the other thing we can do in OneNote is we can dock our OneNote to one side and have 2 pages open at once. So if I go up to View and then we do New Docked Window, it'll put that into the side for me on the page I had open. And again, you can adjust that if you want. So if we want to make it bigger or smaller, then I can do that. I'm going to leave it at half for now. You also have the option to scroll down the bottom and you can still go up and down the page. So you could do this, maybe you wanted to have the marking scheme on one side or the question on one side while you were marking your work. So for example, if I go to fill here and then extend that, I can have them both open at once. I could go to draw, and then I could have, I know these don't match up, but just for an example, I could have the marking scheme with the question here and the student's work here, and then I could mark or do whatever else I wanted to do on there at the same time, while being able to scroll through the questions on the marking scheme.